Sierra with the Crawford team. We are here today at Winston Park, an active 55 and up community located in Northeast St. Pete. We are actually perfectly positioned about 10 minutes from downtown and just a couple minutes away from 4th Street. So it's very easy access to any shopping, recreational, or entertainment needs you may have. The condo itself is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit that's just been completely renovated. Take a look. Hi again, I just wanted to end our tour in your bonus Florida room and just take a second to point out that you have a gorgeous view of the large oversized courtyard directly behind this building. That's where you're going to find your heated swimming pool, shuffleboard courts, clubhouse, and also to point out with this unit you do have a covered carport spot directly in front, as well as an additional storage locker right down the hall. If there's any other questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.